Let me see. Oh my gosh.
Holy crap. Yo, he's right behind me. Welcome back to another video. This time we're doing something a little bit different because we got a special guest. So we were sitting at home today trying to figure out what we're gonna fucking.
Can you like?
It's in my eye. All right, so we were sitting at home today trying to figure out what to eat for dinner, and she had the fantastic idea of making some Campfire pizza. She is a very good pizza dough maker.
I'm fairly decent, not crazy.
You want to tell me your recipe?
Fuck no. It dies with me.
We're gonna quickly unpack, get camp set up, and then we're gonna start making some pizza because I'm hungry. I know she's hungry.
I'm starving.
And the pizza we're making is just gonna be a little bit different than a normal pizza. You'll see. You'll see.
Yeah, with the extra help and the bugs.
We're not gonna eat the bugs. Wait, watch You can walk with me. Alrighty, so we have camp all set up. Someone's already relaxing inside. But chairs are out, table's set up. So I think we're just gonna chill now. This is pretty last minute, so we don't have much planned, but we're just gonna relax, have a nice time outside. It is a beautiful day. Already got some bites.
No way.
Fish.
No way you didn't.
I'm God.
Let me see. Oh my gosh! No way! Yeah. Oh, like something's there?
You see it like going down and up?
Yeah.
Alright, so fishing went well. Foot slipped, whole foot into the water.
It was not funny at all.
Alright, so we're ready to make some pizza. This is everything we got to make some. Again, shout out to her for making the pizza dough. Super excited for it. I think, what did you try this time? A cold?
I did like a cold ferment, so I'm kind of excited.
Well, we'll see how it goes. But for the cheese, we got two different types. We have part skim mozzarella and some goat cheese. When we were in France last year, we had some goat cheese pizza.
That shit slapped. It was so good. So good.
So she's gonna be on pizza duty. She's gonna get the dough all formed, and I'm gonna be hand shredding or chopping our cheese.
Can I put it back on here now?
Alrighty, so we got the dough all set in the pan. It took us a little while because we forgot to take the dough out of the cooler, but we got it. So we're gonna toss it into the fire for a little bit, let the bottom get all toasted, and then we'll pull it out, get some sauce on there, some cheese, let it get all nice and melted. All right, let's get it on the fire. All right, so the pizza's about done. We're gonna pull it off, get some sauce on there, and then get some cheese, sprinkle it on, and eat some food.
Sprinkle it on.
It took a while, man.
It did take a while.
It took way too long. I'm starving. Yeah, it shrunk a lot. I'm also gonna toss on some salt, pepper, garlic to the sauce. I'm not sure how much seasoning it has, so we'll just sprinkle it on. I got you. Also, we got spicy marinara this time. Haven't tried it, but I've heard it's good.
I'm excited.
I don't even
like it.
I don't like tomato.
I absolutely love tomatoes, and I like my pizza a little saucy. But we're gonna add just as much cheese, just to balance that out for you.
For sure. Would you like to do the honors, please?
Yes. I want to make a smiley face to start us off.
Smiley face.
I'm a happy camper. You didn't cut this one. Okay, ready?
So we made sandwiches for lunch, and we have some leftover onions, so we're gonna get that in there too. I want to add too many. Alrighty, last but not least, some goat cheese. Wow. This is gonna be a good freaking pizza. Alright, so this is the before. Let's see how it came out. Holy crap.
Oh, the cheese melted so
Dude,
nice.
I am super excited to try this. I know she is as well. I'm gonna cut this up and we're gonna get to munching. It got a little late, I won't lie. It's almost 8:30, which is why we got lights on and stuff, but let's eat. We're gonna have a good time anyways.
Ooh.
Absolutely no flop, dude. Here we go.
Thank you. It's open.
Yeah.
Too.
It actually smells really good.
Like it has a hint of smokiness from the fire.
A little smokiness, a nice spicy marinara.
Can we just eat now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Cheers, buddy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that crunch, but if you guys think it's burnt, it's not. Like, it's very nicely toasted.
I got some of the goat cheese.
I was just gonna say, dude, that goat cheese hits. There you go.
That's perfect.
Here's.
Thank you. Try it.
You wanna try this one?
No.
Oh, I've never had mango.
This is really good too.
All right, we're gonna kill these real quick and we're gonna clean up. It's a little late and we don't want any creatures coming at night, so we're gonna kill these, pack up, head back into the tent, and enjoy the rest of the night. We have some fun games planned. Y'all see. All right, peace. Alrighty, after cleaning up, we jumped into the tent, and now we're running to Mario. It's been a while since we played. I think last time was like a couple years ago.
Yeah.
But we both got our DSIs. We're gonna connect together, and we'll play.
Yeah. We're gonna start with Mario World, and then we're gonna go on to play Mario Kart.
I'm gonna kick your butt in Mario Kart.
You cannot.
I'm
a
last time I
beast at
beat
that
you
game.
4 out of 5 times.
You know what? We'll run it again.
We're gonna run it again, and we'll see what happens. My DSI ended up dying, but hers is still alive. So we're gonna play a Grand Prix on Mario Kart, 4 races, and we're gonna see who can come in the highest placed both times.
The most, yeah, I agree.
I think I'm gonna kill it. I got Rainbow Road, and what was the other one?
Fucking,
Peach.
I'm in the mud.
Yeah, because you suck.
They gave me the bomb. Look at this. Bomb diggity. Now I'm caught up. Everybody sucks. No, I can't see anything. Told you I'm a beast. I just got first place. Rainbow Road.
We're doing a 1v1 right now. She just won her first 1v1. I'm gonna go next, and hopefully I can get first place too.
We're both competing in the Rainbow Road course, and Drew chose Bowser. Oh my god, no, he like actually made it to first place. Can someone
Yo, he's right behind me. Games with me.
Damn it.
Play games with me.
Damn it.
I'm just that good, man.
Right, right.
I am. You suck. We both ended up winning. I think I did better though.
We both got first place.
We're gonna head to bed. It is super hot and we're super exhausted.
Exhausted, tired, sleepy, all the synonyms together.
All right, we'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning. We ended up sleeping pretty well last night.
It got a little cold, so I threw on this cardigan.
But sleeping bags, sleeping pad, all good. We're gonna pack up in here and then, start taking down camp. It's been a fun day, but we gotta get back to reality.
Yes, we do.
Unfortunately. So we were just here playing the DSI last night and I forgot to record it, but there was a huge spider. I'm talking like that big just on our tent.
This was the body. The legs were bigger than that.
It was just sitting right here. Yeah, it was a little...
Someone cried.
She woke up at like 3 a.m. talking about spiders.
I did. I had a nightmare.
Thank you. All right, so that's gonna be the end of the video there. I had a great time. Did you?
I had a great time too.
It has been a while since we've been camping together. What, 7 years?
Yeah.
We actually met on that camping trip. Fun fact. Overall, fantastic trip. The food was amazing. We slept really well, and the site itself is gorgeous.
Pretty. And you caught a fish.
And I caught a fish. I've caught 3 fish, and all 3 have been sunfishes.
You love catching sunfish.
They're easy to catch. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Again, if there's any like recipes you guys want to see me cook, I'd be happy to do so. Leave them in the comments below. I don't love cooking at home, but out here, it's so much more fun. So yeah, I've been cooking a lot of different things, so happy to take your suggestions, so let me know. But yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.